Is your iPhone no longer recording in 4K at 60 FPS after the iOS 18 update? Don't worry, this issue can be caused by settings being reset during the update or a few simple glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it and get your 4K 60 FPS recording back in no time. Solution 1. Enable 4K video recording in Settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Camera. Tap Record Video. Choose 4K at 24 FPS, 4K at 30 FPS, or 4K at 60 FPS based on your preference. After that, exit Settings and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Check available storage. Open the Settings app and tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage space for 4K video recordings. If space is low, delete unnecessary files or offload apps. After that, try recording again in 4K at 60 FPS. Solution 3. Change video formats. To do this, open Settings, scroll down, tap on Camera, tap Formats, select Most Compatible. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app, tap General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset all settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset your preferences and settings. After that, check your camera settings and toggle 4K at 60 FPS back on. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of 4K 60 FPS recording gone after the iOS 18 update. If the video did the trick for you, then smash that like button. And if you are still facing the issue, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.